So the deal for this, you see it. So good plugs. We honestly met over text through referral, and we were able to come to basically 23 pairs. 23 pairs for $3,200. So get the boxes. I'll just, before I send the bread, so I already pulled the bread. We put it in my business account, $3,200. So I'll deposit this to the business account, count all the pairs up, make sure I got 23, make sure I got the right sizes, sell it out. It's good. So GUA order, we told you guys, it's not just an outlet, it's really this. This is where the volume comes in at. Gotta know people that know people that know people. These are right. They don't come like this. I don't want them. Yeah, man. So this right used to stay for like 3 or 4 years. This used to be my room. My boy took my lease over, but I'm still able to get packs shipped here. And you see, you look over the balcony. It's a nice little spot. So it's secure. You know, got people walking their dog down there. You know, security around. Because I live in a gated community now, but I don't want 50 packages, or imagine those 2 boxes we just got at my doorstep, and then someone like you taking off. So we get them shipped here, and then we get to see the view, and we come here and just. And this is where BJ is gonna move to something like this soon. He might go Sky House. I don't even want to shout them out. It's not that good of a spot.
Nah, hell no.
We're gonna put it somewhere better than that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Then what time is it now? It's like 12 o'clock. We did a lot of shit today. Take naps at 1 o'clock if you do everything right. Day over by 1, that's the goal. Get your day done by 1, you do what you want. Not every day is like that though. Some days shit we run until 5, 6, 8, 12. Today was a calm day, man.
How you stay at a condo? What age did you move here? What was the what age did you move to the condo?
So this is why these videos are gonna be good too. I'm 28, you're 18. That's a 10-year gap. So it's like passing the game down. I'm passing you the torch. I'm passing all y'all the torch. I moved here when I was 23. 28 now. I lived here for like 3 years, and then honestly the reason why I had to move out is because like we're not gonna because someone else lives in here now, but my room was too full of sneakers. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. In my new house I moved into a 4-bed, 3-bath, and then I just moved again to a 3-bed, 3-bath. But nah, this definitely like took my belief level up when I was living here at 23. You know, things were a little bit cheaper back then. That was like during COVID. I actually moved here during COVID and got a big discount. Yeah, this has helped me think way bigger, but we'll pop some pictures up and pop some things up of kind of what my condo used to look like when I had to do it out of here. But it comes with its benefits.
Well, everybody wants to know, how do you get to something like this? Like, how much money do you make? How do you get to something like this at your young age?
All right, so I'll be really honest. So when I was 23, I wasn't making as much as I'm making now, but what you really usually have to do to move to a spot is you got to show 3 times the rent. So this unit goes for $3,600. I mean, you can tell why. It's downtown Dallas, got a wraparound balcony. It's pretty nice. So you got to show 36 times 3. It's like 10 a month. Back then I wasn't making that. So honestly, in full transparency, I had to get a cosigner at first. And it was, I moved here with a friend, and his dad co-signed for us. But then it was too expensive for him, so he moved out. But I had started making more money at that time, and I have my own tax returns. So if you don't show like 10 a month, I think I was like right under that. You could show a tax return that I think was like over 6 figures. So I was able to show that, and that kind of took my confidence up again. Because then I went from like, damn, could I really be here? It's not really me, to like, damn, it's under my name. It's got my taxes on it. So you either got to make 3 times the rent, or you got to show like 2 years of tax returns over 6 figures. So
what's advice do you get to somebody who's 18, 19, saying they want to move out? You know, live the young fella life. What's one advice? Like, how much does somebody have saved up, or what should they do what should they think about before they move out?
I would just say, it's cliche, everybody talks about it and everybody does it. We're going to show y'all like the real, but you can't do this without having credit. The only way I was able to do this was have so much credit. Like I said, I had like 50,000 in credit back then. Really taking a risk, spending the whole 50,000 and letting it work for me. So if I didn't have the credit, the shoes couldn't work for me. That makes sense? So I would just say, like, you could have this, like working a job, that's completely fine. But if you want to be able to wake up, do what you want to do, running around, like working on your business, you definitely have to have some credit. And that helps when you get approved. So I would just say get credit early. Like you're 18, you're about to.
18 with credit.
When I was 18, my cards were like 2,500, 1,500, 3,000. Now all my cards are like 15 to 30,000, and they can get bigger. But that's why you have to start young, not be scared. Find someone that's going to teach you, because every year you don't have credit, you're not even in the system. You know what I'm saying? So like they're going to start you off with crumbs, and you got to build it up to the fucking cookie jar, and then you take the cookie jar, turn it into a pantry. So that's
Hey, that's a W way to take. He said you take the cookie, build it to the cookie jar. And he said take the cookie jar and put it to the pantry.
turn it into the pantry. Yeah.
That's crazy work.
Yeah, if you're watching this, like, even in the comments or wherever, just ask questions about credit. We have like Telegram groups that are free at this point. I would really give free game at this point. Just ask somebody about credit young and make sure they have your best interest. Like, you know, I have your best interest,
For sure.
but you see me do it. So if they can, like, make sure they can show the receipts, not just show you the card, but log into the app, log in on the computer, show years and years and years and years of just spending it and making it back, spending it, making it back. But yeah, that's it. I think credit helped me get here, and then once I got here, it's just like your mind goes to a whole different place. Because it's like, I remember when my mentors were taking me certain places, and I had never been to a condo or balcony. Like, was this when you came here? Was this the first time you saw something like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this isn't like a penthouse. We could cap and say it is, but it's really not. This is really like not that
This
hard
is regular.
to achieve. It's really regular.
Penthouse is up there, chat.
Yeah, the penthouse, you can see it up there with the big ass pole, 2 stories. Like that's a penthouse. That's probably like
That's
at
like-
least 10 a month. You know what I'm
Shit,
saying? 'Cause
yeah.
that's probably like 4-bedroom, like bunch of shit. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Like quick, maybe we'll tour it one day, but
Yeah.
for right now, it's just packages getting dropped here. But that's the balcony bonus round. That's what we call that.